an academy that is designed to help all struggling traders outside there in order to excel and make money consistently in the forex financial market. So welcome back again to another awesome boom and crash MACD strategy. This is a special boom and crash strategy dedicated to all boom and crash traders, both for scalpers, newbies, and also advanced boom and crash traders. And this strategy is a free strategy. I repeat, this strategy is a free strategy. So nice to have you here. Let me just dive in. But one condition is for you to get a candle crossing above this moving average, something exactly that happens here. The first condition is you need a candle to cross above the exponential moving average on the main chart. So that is the first condition. And the second condition is for you to see these bars in the MACD has started immediately after it crossed. You should just wait and count 3 to 4 bars. You see, this is where it crosses. So you not count with this one. You say 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth one. So immediately the fourth bar, you should just wait. If the next bar started off here, something like this, then you can continue, something like this. Then you can buy. You can just buy or you sell. You can just buy or you sell. Somewhere like this as well, look at it. This one crosses below it, you count 1, 2, the third one, and you see the fourth one, you buy. The market has started going up here. So you just use your terminology. Let me show you another back test. Let me show you another back test for sell. Something like this. This is the candle that cross. This is the candle that cross. This red one. Then you count 1, 2, 3, 4. And the fifth one you sell. Now you make profit. So it's very simple to understand. It's very simple to understand. And the main importance of this moving average inside the MACD is for you to make sure if you are buying, if you are buying on the main chart, make sure the MACD on the moving average is also buying. If you are selling, make sure it's also selling. That's one good thing you need to understand. If it is buying, make sure it's buying. If it is selling, make sure it's selling. Make sure the direction for the moving averages in the main chart and also in the window indicator 2 is all going up. This is boom and crash for